This crazy boy I keep seeing. I keep walking through here. Oh, there he is. It almost ate me. Just kidding. It was a funny video. Well, really, it wasn't funny, but his face is. You scared me for real.
Hi, guys.
What in the world?
Look into my eyes. Look into my